to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 47 degrees with rainy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the White Sox won last night against the Orioles with a score of 5-3. Clubs meeting today are Hoover Run Club will not meet today. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are PBIS ambassadors will meet at 7:45 in the music room. Art Studio Apprentices Red Group will meet at 7:45 in the art room. Today's announcements are, today is STEM Fair. Come see all the great projects today, and tonight doors open at 6 p.m. Today is Special Lunch Day. Come down with your ticket to enjoy some yummy faux chopsticks. Tonight at 7 p.m. is the 4th grade enrollment meeting at Keller Junior High. And now a message from Mrs. Buchanan.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy. I just have a couple reminders for you this morning. Tonight we have our Teacher McKnight over at McDonald's in Hoffman Estates. The time is 4:30 to 7:30, and we're so excited to see you there. This is just a friendly reminder that when you come to school in the morning, that you go directly through the front doors. Please do not go to the playground or the basketball courts because there's no supervision outside. And when you leave in the afternoon, make sure you go right home. Again, please do not stop at the basketball courts or the playground because we want to make sure you get home safely. Make it a great day, everyone, and don't forget, together we shine brighter.
Thank you, Mrs. Buchanan. This week's pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by our music department. Tomorrow starts our whole school alphabet countdown. Tomorrow is A for Art Day. Have a Wicca Wicca Turntable Tuesday.